I am the deepest female freediver in Australia. I do find that freediving does take me to some of the most beautiful oceans. Lord Howe Island is definitely one of the most incredible places I've ever dived. It's like going back in time. The wildlife is so untouched and so prolific. The more time I spend in the water, the more important I realize it is to protect our oceans. As part of the Global Ocean Treaty, we want to protect 30% of the oceans around the world, and I think that's something that is incredibly achievable, and it will make a huge difference to this area between Australia and New Zealand, the Tasman Sea.